It's Miss Mary with the Faulkner County Library with the last of our new Storytime To Go unboxing clips. This time we are going to unbox the Storytime To Go Learn to Move and Play. Okay, one of the first things that you may notice is that our Learn to Move and Play doesn't come in one of the plastic containers. It comes in a plastic bag. So we're going to open that up. And let's see what's inside. All right. Oh, we've got Charlie Plays Ball by Reed Drummond. And we've got Zoogie Boogie Fever, an animal dance book. And, oh, I think I see some other books in here. Oh, Froggy Plays Soccer. One of my faves. What else? Oh, one more book. Jump by David McPhail. Of course, here's our handy dandy inventory sheet. Lets you know what all is supposed to be in the bag and helps you definitely go over it. Make sure you can return it all. And then there are a couple of cool games in this bag. Let's see, this one is Duck Duck Dance for ages 2 and up, the Move and Groove games. We're gonna pick this up. I love how this has plenty of instructions. An adorable little game board. Oh, and look at these different animals and cubes. This adorable duck. Clap, spin, jump, march. So much fun. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the box and let's see what the other game is. This one is Get Up For Pup, the Active Hungry Puppy game. This one is also for ages 2 and up. Look at this spinner. Crawl, dance, toss, run, jump, walk backwards. Again, directions. I love this little lift to see what's underneath. We've got some cute game tokens and little felted bones. Oh, that is going to be so much fun. Let me put the cover back on this and put it back together, and there you go. That's what's in our Storytime To Go Learn to Move and Play kit. We hope you enjoy it.